So almost every powerful AI tool out there comes with a monthly subscription, but YouTube just completely changed the game. They just released a new professional AI tool that's completely free for every creator to use. And this is not just a new AI tool. This AI can help you increase how much you make on YouTube, help you come up with better content, and most importantly, grow your channel faster. And what's even crazier is that this AI can help any channel with almost zero views figure out what it should be doing to grow. Features that most creators pay expensive YouTube coaches and growth experts for are now built inside YouTube Studio. In other words, YouTube is giving creators the tools that they used to pay for. That's all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how to use it, and why I think every creator should start using it today. So if you enjoy videos like this, make sure you hit that like button and you subscribe. Let's jump right in. So first, open YouTube Studio in your browser, whether you are on your phone or computer. All right, and if you already have a YouTube channel, click on profile picture and in the top right corner and open YouTube Studio. So for this demonstration, okay, I'm going to use this current channel you're actually watching me on, and at the top of YouTube Studio you see a feature called Ask Studio, as you can see right here, and go ahead and click on it. This is a YouTube built-in AI assistant, and honestly most people don't know how powerful this is. Let me repeat it again, most people don't know how powerful this is. Even me at the beginning I actually ignored this because I thought this was something like ChatGPT or something like that, because I've seen videos about it, but bro, it isn't. It isn't. So once you expand it, you see a message that says something like, "Hello Joshua, how can I help you today?" And this is where things get really interesting. Okay, so whether you are at zero views or millions, 100,000 of views, this AI can help you make smarter decision based on your channel, and you are going to see right away. You notice a few suggested prompts. It can summarize your comments, suggest brand new video ideas, give you breakdown of your channel's performance, even recommend other ways to improve your content. Of course, you don't need to use this suggested prompt. You can also ask it almost anything about your YouTube channel, as you can see right here. So let me show you exactly what happens when I start asking it real questions. Now watch this carefully, because one of the biggest questions that most creators, new creators, ask is why my channel isn't getting a lot of views. And that's exactly where YouTube experts try to sell you courses, mentorship, just to make money from this pain. But here's the thing, why guess when you can ask YouTube directly? Overall, YouTube has all the data about your channel and understand your channel better than any expert out there, and you actually understand how your content is actually performing. So let's ask it. So I type in, why is my channel getting fewer views than I expected, something like that. And listen, now the AI start analyzing my channel, as you can see, and looks at my analytics, my videos, and overall performance before giving me a personalized feedback. And here exactly what it tells me. It says your channel has actually shown a positive trend over the last 12 months. However, in the most recent 28-day period, there has been a dip in several key metrics. Views 34,476, down by about 45% compared to the previous period. You can see new viewers over 20,000, but still down by about 58%. Unique viewers 23,000. You can see the analytics, and you can see what it says right here. Why these numbers might seem concerning: your returning viewers 3,495 stayed quite steady, dropping only about 4%. And this suggests your core audience is still engaged, but you are currently reaching fewer new people. That's all. And it also tells me which videos are performing the best. For example, two of my top performing videos are about the World Cup content and specific YouTube monetization system. You can go on my channel, that's exactly right. But here's the really interesting part. The AI doesn't just tell you exactly what is happening, it actually tells you why it's happening and what you should do next. It actually analyze your channel, your audience, and see what or the kind of videos they are most likely to watch or to be interested in. And it actually even gives you suggestions for things like improving your thumbnail and expanding your content strategy. So for example, it tells me that your monetization system videos are clearly your strongest performance right now. And it says consider a follow-up or part 2 that addresses a specific question that your audience is asking in the comment section, because my audience will likely be interested in that video too. Now, let's ask it something even more useful, right? I'll type, Give me video ideas my audience is most likely to watch. And this is where things get powerful, because YouTube already understand my audience and they know exactly what they watch. So it will be easier for YouTube to give me video ideas that my audience will be most likely to enjoy. So this is exactly the ideas he suggested to me. Step-by-step guide to creating non-copyright football documentary using free AI tools. How to avoid the new inauthentic content demonetization trap for AI faceless channels. The three most profitable global niches for small creators to target in 2026. So what's even better is that it doesn't just give you ideas, it explains why each idea has the potential to perform well. This is crazy. Now let's imagine you are a complete beginner. Maybe you've never posted any video before. You can literally say, I'm brand new to YouTube, teach me exactly everything I need to know to grow. And that's exactly what it does. It's going to walk you through every process from the creation to monetization and understanding every single thing about the YouTube studio. But here's another question I see all the time, okay? Can I use AI to create clips, edit them, and get monetized? Instead of asking random people or so-called guru or YouTube expert online, why not ask the AI itself? Because he knows the policies better than us. So let's ask it, and the response is actually really clear. As you can see, yes, AI generated video is allowed, but the final video must demonstrate your own creative vision and offer substantive educational or entertainment value. But there are few rules that you need to follow. Like for example, if you simply upload AI generated clip or reuse someone else's content without adding anything new, YouTube may classify this as reuse content, and reuse content usually is not eligible for monetization. So what should you do instead? Make sure you add, as you can see right here, originality and authenticity. It explains exactly how to apply it. You can read it. Avoid generic templates. It explains that also too, and it follows with other rules you need to follow. So that's exactly what YouTube recommends. And the best part is you don't have to guess. You can ask the AI about anything: monetization policies, reuse content, copyright, anything about the YouTube itself. Now let's take it one step further. Okay, I'll ask it, should I make a video about this AI feature and watch what happens? And listen, it doesn't just answer the question, it helps me actually give me a plan for the entire video. As you can see, it gives you ideas and explain why the topic is worth covering, suggests an outline, and even walks you through what to show on the screen during each section. For example, as you can see, it recommended using a tutorial style for this video and even gave me an exact title to use. Video concept, you can see how to use YouTube's new AI to create 100% original faceless shots. But this is where it gets even better. Let's ask it to write the entire script for us, and just like that, as you can see, it generates a complete script from start to finish and even gave us a stronger hook, as you can see, than I originally would have written, right? Something like, everyone is telling you to use AI to make YouTube short, but nobody is telling you how to do it without getting hate for inauthentic content or copyright strikes. I think that's a fantastic opening. You can always tweak, change some few things, or add any words or anything you want. As you can see, then it builds the rest of the script for me section by section, and we are still not done. Okay, let's ask it to optimize this video for YouTube search. And as you can see, within seconds it generates everything I need: multiple title ideas, but it didn't mention tags, description, because it knows in 2026 these are no more important. Title is everything right now. The topic you are making the video about is everything. So instead of spending or wasting hours doing the research by yourself, the YouTube's AI is there to do the heavy lifting for you. And if the suggestions aren't exactly what you are looking for, just give it more concept, or say something like, my audience is from the US, or my viewers are mostly beginners. The more information you actually give, the better the recommendation become. Obviously, I can show you every single thing this tool is able to do in this video. If not, it's going to be long. You can figure it out by yourself. So in my opinion, this is one of the biggest updates or feature YouTube has released so far. So instead of wondering about thumbnails, tags, title, and all those things. This AI is here to help you even find or choose title for your channel, help you to get even much higher RPM. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any question, don't forget the comment section is there for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. It was Joshua. Peace out.